Hi, Bruce from Safiery. Field results are in on our solar. Let's have a look. We've got here two 175 watt solar panels, and at the end up there is a 115 watt, and that's a poly panel. It's not even a mono panel. But underneath these panels, we have our new DC to DC for solar. So we've got the DC to DCs in a circuit going to the solar, and each panel hanging off the DC to DC. First results was 237 watts at 68 volts at 2 p.m. in June. And now at the field data, we're getting 273 watts at 11:30 in July. Now, the best Sunpower that we've got, the 400 watt, yields about 60% at the moment. And the results here are 59.6%. So you get the benefit of a mix of different types of panels to take up the maximum space on the roof, and you're not limited anymore by having the same technology or the same size panels to get the best solar yield. How good is that?